Welcome. Today we celebrate the feast of St. Thomas, Thomas the Apostle, Thomas who was called the Twin. And the gospel reading for today is the well-known story of Thomas's profession of faith. Earlier, Jesus had appeared to the apostles when Thomas wasn't present. And so then when they told Thomas that Jesus had appeared to them, he didn't believe it. And then the next time Jesus appeared, Thomas was present. Jesus says, come here, put your finger here and see my hands, and bring your hand and put it into my side. And be not unbelieving, but believe. Thomas answers in faith. He makes his profession of faith and says, my Lord and my God. What I want to focus on today is what Jesus says in response to Thomas. Jesus said to him, have you come to believe because you have seen me? Blessed are those who have not seen and have believed. Originally, this passage was intended for the second generation of believers, those who had not been eyewitnesses of Jesus. And so the author of the Gospel of John has Jesus say, blessed are those who have not seen and have believed. In other words, these are words of comfort and encouragement to the second generation of believers. But these words also apply to us. We are well past the second generation of believers, and yet blessed are we who have not seen and have yet believed. These words of Jesus are encouragement to us as well. But one other thing, we may not have ever have seen Jesus in the flesh. That's true. But we have seen Jesus. We have seen Jesus in each other. When we see each other being compassionate and loving and caring and forgiving to each other, then we have seen Jesus. We have not seen him in the flesh, but we have seen his presence, his real presence in the world. And when we do this for each other, we can strengthen each other in our faith. Thank you for watching. Have a great Friday.